The Memorial Amphitheater hosted the funeral for each unknown buried at the tomb of the unknown soldier. Located next to the tomb, the Memorial Amphitheater is also where Arlington National Cemetery hosts annual national ceremonies for Veterans Day and Memorial Day. By the early 1900s, Arlington National Cemetery's original amphitheater, now called the James R. Tanner Amphitheater, could no longer accommodate the large crowds that flocked to ceremonies held there. In 1908, the Grand Army of the Republic, an organization of Civil War veterans, petitioned Congress for a larger amphitheater, and 5 years later, Congress authorized its construction. On October 13, 1915, President Woodrow Wilson placed the building's cornerstone, and the Memorial Amphitheater was dedicated on May 15, 1920. In addition to serving as the site for National Veterans Day and Memorial Day ceremonies, the amphitheater has hosted memorial and funeral services for several notable Americans, including every unknown soldier, Colonel Charles Young, and General of the Army's John J. Pershing. Inscriptions on the outside of the amphitheater list 44 battles fought by the U.S. military from the American Revolution through the Spanish-American War. The names of 14 U.S. Army generals and 14 U.S. Navy admirals, all from before World War I, are inscribed on either side of the amphitheater stage. The Memorial Amphitheater hosted the funeral services for each unknown laid to rest in the tomb and marked a new stage in Arlington National Cemetery's significance as a national shrine and monument to America's service members. The Memorial Amphitheater is located just off Memorial Drive in the heart of the cemetery.